you must remember the remorseful and grievous occurrence that took place a couple of weeks ago near the walled city of Lahore, where a mother, along with her 10-month child, fell into the manhole and died due to the negligence of the local authorities that were working on the infrastructure and revival of the walled city of Lahore. With that precedent set and a lesson learned, the Chief Minister of Punjab has initiated a new move with delegating her powers and authorities in this regard to the Home Department of Punjab, where they have initiated the Punjab Public Utilities Infrastructure Protection Ordinance 2026, where any sort of vandalism, any kind of threat or illegal removal of the public property and public installations will be dealt with heavy fines, penalties, and imprisonments. The people who will remove or steal the public installations such as manholes or street lights, street lamps, damaging the trees on the green belts on the roads will be attracting around a fine ranging from 1 lakh rupees till 1 million, and a heavy imprisonment of 3 years would be penalized and given to the offender or violator in this regard. A person who is involved or indulged in the removal or illegal removal of public installations, whether they are the street lights or trees on the green belt or even the manholes for what that matter, they are going to bear a heavy fine of 3 million Pakistani rupees to 10 million Pakistani rupees on one hand, and then at the same time they will also be attracting a heavy imprisonment that may range from 3 years to 6 years. Do remember one more thing: not only the offenders or violators, but also the facilitators in this regard will be bearing heavy imprisonments and heavy fines. Moreover, the scrap dealers and the recycling rolling plants in the entirety of Punjab are being monitored, and the surveillance is being ensured on one hand, and these new protocols have been dispatched on the other hand, that if from now onwards they are found to buy, sell, reproduce or recycle such public installations without proper verification, they will face the same and heavy consequences from the government of Punjab, administrative and enforcement agencies in this regard. In this regard, the Housing, Urban Development and Punjab Public Engineering Health Department has also initiated this move, which acted as a parent to the water and sanitation agencies, the local developmental authorities within the entirety of Punjab, and they did not only broaden the legal framework in this regard, but also initiated a huge crackdown in all the aspects and in all areas of Punjab, whether it is on the scrap dealers, the re-rolling plants, and those thieves or offenders, and then the facilitators who facilitate the removal of the public installations. Last but not the least, if your the theft, your removal or your facilitation of the removal of public installation is causes or results into a loss of life, the Pakistan Penal Code with stricter actions is coming to give you the consequences on one hand, and then this rigorous imprisonment and heavy fines of the normal code of conduct for this act on the other hand. What do you think in this regard? What are your views regarding this new development?